be managing proceedings as we get underway. It's Boland to kick off via Ruan Nokia, who decides to go deep just outside the 22. The Sharks, will they look for an exit strategy? No, they look to shift it immediately, and an early mistake here could be costly for the men from Durban as Boland come away with it. It is Harold De Silva, the captain, who goes in, and in the blink of an eye, it's Boland.
Silva kan een pad, as ons kyk na die herkyk daar, skietverdediging van die Boland rotsvas in die middelveld, en die Boland wat die bal opskop, en die bal kom uit, De Silva, hy kan het een pad, en dis nie winkel toe nie, dis 3 lyn toe.
Great pick up there from Ewan Alberts. Looking for, this time around, Rocksturk. You see a pick and go here. The Sharks looking for power. It's the 8th man. Obakwe Moeng, the captain. It's the tight head again, Tunga Griffiths. Couple of centimeters in it now. Route 1 for the Sharks. Can they get over? You bet they can. Just like that, the Sharks do respond. And it is try time. Great response from the Sharks. The conversion adds the extra 2. And the Sharks in the lead by 7-5.
Score 7 points to the Sharks.
Kyk na die herkyk daar. Voorspelers wat gedisciplineerd is, liggaamposisie, pragtig geskoot. Ek dink die Afrika-span kan hierdie klip gaan neem en vir die jong manne wys hoe jou liggaamposisie moet wees.
Krill. Aiden Deploy takes it up, the loose head prop. Krill again, looking down the short side. Griffiths, beautiful hands to find support out wide. Not making a lot of headway at the moment, but keeping the ball alive. Can they start asking questions of this Boland defense into the hands of Moheng? Moheng, the captain, sets it up for another ruck. It's Tunga Griffiths. Creel, this is quick ball, this is better. Creel, 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 go, go, go. And that's their second score. Has made it easy for the kicker to add the extra 2. The Sharks up to 14 to 5, and after conceding early, are starting to take control here.
Kyk hier, Rudy, pragtige spel. Sharks fase agter fase, en hier stuur hy 'n man winkel toe. Gaan koop vir my broodseun, laat ek 'n 3 druk. Pragtige stukkie spel daar.
You want to make sure that you make your tackles. The Shark side can punish you with the likes of Sajadi and Williams out wide.
Ja nee, die Sharks wat definitief hulle sterkte wat te hoog is in hierdie kragmeting. Geen bal wat hulle gee tans vir die Boland Cavaliers nie. Die haie wat alles reg doen tot dusver in die eerste helfte.
Doesn't find touch. An unforced error there. The Boland will have an opportunity. They don't look like they want to kick. It's intercepted. It's going to be a try. It's too easy. Ruan Mulder. Wonderful work.
Dis 'n 3 vir Mulder.
Look at that. Not even bothering for the kicking team to march their way to the try line. Sean Janssen takes it up. But it looks like it's been turned over. The Boland have done some fantastic work. But again, the Sharks tap and go quickly. It's all happening so fast here. But we're coming back. It was a free play. The Sharks not able to get over the line.
Die haie hier.
Here come the Sharks. It's the big man, Janssen. Can they stop him? They just about can, but it's recycled quickly. Hughes, there's numbers. That's going to be a run-in, a walk-in, in fact. Try time it is.
En letterlik word daar ingestap om 'n 3 te druk van die haie.
Shaleni makes no mistake from the tee. Make that 26 points to 5.
En kyk nie na die herspeel, die onderkaptein wat die bal daar aangee. Niemand raak aan hom nie. Druk hom onder die pale. En hierdie is 'n baie groot seën.
Advantage to the Sharks. Asking questions of the defense now. As we see them switch play here. Hughes looking to go himself. Still playing under penalty advantage. Just game management at the moment from the Sharks. Very good, playing in the right areas of the field. No advantage, says the referee. And it's that discipline.
Manne wat daar in hulle Kersklere staan. Pragtig.
He's trying to get over the line. They all want a piece of the action. Roberts, Nokia, out to Jaden van die Kerk. Massive hit there on Edson Fredericks. And the Sharks conceding another penalty. This time it's step and go, Roberts. Tegan Roberts looking to snipe his way over. Not to be.
Daar kry hy 'n snytjie kaas vir sy broodjie. Hy sal definitief sy brood gaan sit en eet. Strafskop. Na so groot duikslag kry hy 'n geel kaart. En dit is die Boland Cavaliers. De Silva.
With a little over 6 minutes to play, it's all about consolation, you feel now, for this Boland side. Great kickoff and gather from the Sharks here. Hughes at the base. It's really played well in the second half. Coming on as a replacement, the vice-captain, Hughes. Great work, one of these tight forwards to take it up. Can't hold on to the ball. The Boland can come away with it. No, it's offside.
Hulle weet hulle is 14 manne teen 15 en hulle sê kom ons gaan paal toe.
In off the post from Shalini. It doesn't matter how it gets there, as long as it does. It's 3 points in the nick of time. Everyone's talking about that Argentina-Egypt game last night. Now we saw a bit of skills there from the Sharks players. Boland keep it alive. And this time, the Sharks in over the ball. Ferocious at breakdown time, Danwin. With the wind behind his back. He's going to back himself here to put this through the uprights. He does just that. There's still time to play. One final opportunity here. Nokia gets it out wide. But they can't get away. Edson Fredericks losing the ball in contact. Now the Sharks will have one final chance. Hughes puts it on the boot. It's gone into touch. And that should be that. Austin Richardson, the referee, says it's enough. And it's the men from KZN victorious here over the men from the Cape Winelands.
26 points